guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button just to make sure you don't miss out on any future content, and if you're returning, welcome back. As always, feel free to drop me a comment in the comments section below, like these legends did here. It's always good to hear from you guys and yeah, get a bit of feedback from you. So yeah, drop me a comment, let me know how you think things are getting on. So it's been raining pretty much constantly for the last week or two, so as you can see, the garden is like a swamp. So I'm not going to be getting a lot done this weekend on the build. Give myself a bit of a break, to be honest. But yeah, the main purpose of this video is to show you a piece of kit that I've acquired in the last few days. But before I do that, I just want to run through a couple of changes, a couple of change plans that I'm making on the pond. So I'll spin you around and we'll have a look at that. Right, so like I said, yeah, rain has been shocking the last few days, so this garden's like a swamp. So I'm going to hold off this weekend, give myself a bit of a break. But I did just want to touch on something, well, change of plans that I'm going to be doing. Now, I was originally going to be putting a sump in the filter house, which basically meant digging out a big hole. Oh, it's bloody horrible here. Oh, basically meant digging out a massive hole there to put my sump in. But as I'm in a very heavy clay area here, it's going to be a bit of a task. So obviously the sump was there for my trickle in, trickle out, and also the waste from my drum filter. So the plan now is I'm not going to have a trickle in, trickle out. I'm basically going to have another outlet on the back of the pond here, probably around here somewhere near the bottom, 2-inch outlet, and I'm going to have a pipe coming from the bottom into a pump, standalone pump, which is going to be on a timer, and then pipe running under there and into my waste. Now, the reason I'm doing it this way, yeah, my waste is above the ground there, so I've got no easy way, if you know what I mean, to pump or to have a trickle in, trickle out directly into the waste. So that's going to be my plan. So I'll set the timer, I don't know, a couple of times a day, 2 or 3 times a day, just to pump out some of the pond. Not a lot, you know, a couple of 100 litres at a time. And then I'm going to have a separate box next to the skimmer there with a sensor for an auto top up. So obviously when the pump pumps out some water, the auto top up will kick in and top the pond up. So that's my plan for water changes. With regards to the waste on the drum filter, what I'm probably going to do is again have a separate container next to the drum where the waste goes into that drum, collects the heavy, you know, the heavy muck into a basket, and then an outlet through the side of the pond, through the side of the filter house, which would come out down there somewhere, and then have a waste pipe running up here into either a soakaway or through the back of the fence there, which is just out into the gully. So yeah, those are my plans for my waste and my top up. One other thing I need to ask you guys, I'm obviously going to be moving on to the pergola slash roof. Now I want to, like I said before, I'm going to keep the filter house a natural colour, but the roof posts and all the beams I want to paint black or dye black with a black stain. So if you could let me know if any of you guys know about a fish safe stain that I can do the posts and the beams. Can you let me know what it is in the comments section, please? So I need to get some of that ordered because I'm going to be cracking on with the roof in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, if you can let me know if there's any fish safe wood stain out there, let me know. So yeah, that's it really. Like I say, I'm not doing anything out here today, but main purpose of the video, and here's a little delivery that I've had in the last couple of days. So yeah, let's take a look, see what we've got. Right guys, so I'm absolutely buzzing, to be honest with you. The big kit for the pond build has started to arrive. I wasn't planning on buying anything yet, but yeah, this turned up 2 days ago. 2 pieces. Doesn't look like much now, but yeah, this is a big piece of kit for my pond build. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unwrap it and show you. Best thing is, it's nearly £300 worth of kit, and you know what? It cost me about £3. Loads of bubble wrap for when I have my next giveaway, and give away a load of mugs. Keep your eyes peeled for that, guys, because yeah, the next giveaway, I know everyone loves a mug, so I thought let's def the pond balls off and def the food off. We're gonna go for a mug giveaway next time. So yep, so I've got 2 pieces of cardboard. Let's open these up and see what we've got. Pretty much like I said before, this is nearly £300 worth of equipment for the new build. It was something I was going to get, and I saw an opportunity and I took it. And I think this has cost me, I think £3. If I think about it, £3 I think I paid for this. See what that is, you can see it on the camera. Super UV ballast. So yeah, it's a UV. Get rid of that. I don't even know what I'm opening, to be honest. I don't even know what that is. It's not something I've seen before. You obviously know by now that it's a UV of some description. Replacement unit, 40 watt. I'll come back to that in a second. Yeah, I presume this is the main part of it. There we go. It's a tube with a 40 watt super UV. Okay, so there we go. Can we see that on the camera? I'll tell you what, I'll take you off here and have a close up. Right, so there you go, guys. If you haven't already figured it out, it's, if I've pronounced this right, it's an amalgam UV. Apparently it's the top of the range. It's a 40 watt version, and yes, like I said before, this has cost me about £3, I think. That might have changed once or twice, I can't remember. It's either £2 or £3. And yeah, I'll tell you in a second how I got this for £2 or £3, but I am chuffed to bits with it. That's a little control box comes with it, and a 40-watt UV. Apparently these are the next generation of UV lights. And yeah, £3. So there we go, guys. Chuffed to bits. I've got myself a 40-watt Algram UV. Loki, get down. I'm sure you're all wondering how I got that for £3. But yeah, the gentleman's name is Clayton. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of him, and some of you haven't. He's been running koi auctions for quite some time now. But only up until the last 3 or 4 months, he's developed a website, and it's called koipondbuild.co.uk. Now, what this does, it gives you the chance to win some prizes and win some things that you might not be able to afford up front. And that's exactly what I did. I've known his website since it started, to be honest with you. I've had the odd pound or two. How it works, basically, it's a raffle. It's all drawn online. It's all completely legit. You go onto the website, you buy a couple of raffle tickets for whatever prize you want or would like. And like I say, he's had backy showers on there, the UVs, a Wagyu beef package, some smaller prizes as well, like at the moment he's got a £250 koi voucher, or a voucher for any koi dealer of your choice. And most of his competitions or raffles start at 99p. He's even got a fully expenses paid trip to Japan, a koi buying trip to Japan, and the raffle tickets start at 99p, if my memory serves me right. So I'll tell you what, what's 99p? I can't tell you how much I've spent on the national lottery over the last 12 months. I spend £4 a week, 2 lines, and what have I won? I think I've won 3 or 4 lucky dips in the last 6 months, if I think right, and maybe £5 or £10 in cash back. So £4, 12 months, that's a lot of money. I'll tell you straight now, I've probably put about £20, £25 into his raffles, and he contacted me the other day and I've won. And I had a look back, I didn't actually watch the live Facebook feed, like I say, which he does every Friday, so you can enter the raffle and then watch on a Friday and watch the raffle being drawn live, so you know it's completely legit. But I didn't watch that raffle. I just got a message on WhatsApp from Clayton, I think it was Saturday or Sunday, saying you've won a prize, get in touch with me, and it's turned up 2 or 3 days later. So yeah, Clayton, he isn't paying me for this, he's not giving me anything for this little plug. I just wanted to show you my first basically unboxing of my new kit that's coming here, and luckily for me it was pretty much free, cost me £3. So yeah, I'll put his little link there as well again. Koi competitions, go over there, take a look, you never know, it's £1 or £2, you might win yourself something decent like this. Right, that's it for this one, guys. As you can tell, pretty chuffed with that. That was a bit of a result. Started getting the kit in for the pond, and didn't cost me hardly anything, so yeah, chuffed to bits. So yeah, we'll leave it there. As always, if you haven't already subscribed, sure to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any future content. And until next time, thanks for watching.